Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little baby girl headband. So let's get started. I have my Bowdabra bow wire. I've folded it in half and I'm going to lay it into my Mini Bowdabra and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take, I've got 26 inches of this 1.5 inch wide ribbon, and it's a double-faced satin, so it's the same on both sides. So I'm just going to lay this down in here because I'm just going into the center. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this one over here, and I'm just going to make it so when I'm done, the tails are going to go in the correct direction, which is going to be going this way. So then I'm going to take this one and fold this, and I'm doing my little mountain in the middle and scrunch that in, and then fold this piece back over here. So this way your tails go in the correct direction. Then what I'm going to do is I have this piece which is about 21 inches, and I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon. I'm going to first fold it in half. We're going to make a boutique bow. So I'm going to do my mountain up in the middle here. So I've made a little mountain in the middle of my ribbon. Then I'm going to take this ribbon here, fold it over, and again I'm going to do my little mountain and scrunch that in. And so now I have one loop here. Now I'm going to take this ribbon here, bring it over, go underneath the lower ribbon, and do a little mountain here and scrunch that in. So now I have an X. So the original ribbon, I'm going to just go to the center and do a little mountain here, because this gives it the creases so you don't have to sew. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the top here. So this is going to make just like a really cute little bow. And so now I have these little corker ribbon, and I actually purchased these already made into the corker. So you don't have to, do it around the dowel and then cook it, and it saves a lot of time. So now I'm going to take my Mini Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything in here. And we've got a lot of ribbon in here, so that just wants to pop out. So what I'm going to do is hold it a little bit with my finger, then take my Bowdabra bow wire. And the reason that I had folded it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to take my two ends, pull them through the loop, push down my bow, and pull this really tight while it's still in my Mini Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out. So now you can see I'm not struggling with my bow. It's just so super simple. Then I'm going to take this, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie a knot, and I'll just double knot it for safety. And then I'm going to take my headband, and I'm going to just put it right where this is here, and I'm just going to take one piece of the wire, bring that through, and I just want to do that right there. And then I'm going to tie a knot, and I'm going to pull it really tight, and I'm going to actually knot it on the inside so it's not knotted against the little girl's head, so she won't even feel the wire. She'll only feel the soft headband, and I think that's really important. So now I'm going to just clip this very close to the bow, and you can see how absolutely simple it was to make this adorable little baby headband. So please, if you liked this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.